Yo, what up? Trader Gliz back at it. Haven't posted a video in a minute, but today let's get into it. NQ has just dumped in the last couple days, but it does look like we're finding some support at this level right here, and we are also at the 50-day moving average. So I do think we are going to bottom around here, maybe consolidate a little bit, but I don't think we'll drop much further. But let's get into some of the stocks I'm looking at now, and uh, some trades that I might be taking. First, I like this stock right now. Micron, I think I called it out in a couple videos ago, or maybe last video over here. But now let's duplicate this because we are back at this support level, and we made a almost 4% move today, and we have this big gap that we still have to fill. So I do think we can make that 18-ish% run, and once the market starts to recover a little bit. But yeah, I do like Micron a lot. Um, Next stock, Celsius. Take shares in this. I think this is a good point to take shares, and I don't know about options. You definitely could make money, but I don't know. I'm scared with Celsius. It's super volatile, but I think shares is the way to go here at this big support level on the monthly chart. So yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. I got interrupted. Let me go back to Celsius. Yeah. I don't. Basically Celsius will go up. You'll make a big money on Celsius if you just buy some shares, hold it for a little while. I could see this thing running 50% before February. Uh, so yeah. All right, next stock, Square. I have a big position in Square. I did buy over here, so I am down a good amount, but I did buy some more shares, or not shares. I bought more contracts uh today, and I think this stock is great. We have a break and retest. It's super clear. We're back testing this old resistance, and we're trading at the 50-day moving average. So two things to support right there, and then also on the higher time frame, this is just a big level. Hold on, let's see. Like if I like this level can be extended very far. It uses a resistance multiple times, so that just strengthens the support. And it does look like a hammer candle is forming. So I do think that this stock will push back up to 100 in maybe the next 2 months. Um, but maybe a little bit longer than that. But I do think short term we'll definitely test this section right here, $93, within hopefully before this next strike price. All right, let's check out the next stock is Zoom, ticker symbol ZM, and I like this. I'm in this position as well. Um, if you look at this, we have we're at the support right here on the on like the lower time frame, but there is an increase in calls. We've seen an increase in volume and calls on this stock, and we are also at the 50-day moving average, similar to Square or Block, I guess now. But I don't know. I just really like this stock. I think in the next few days, we'll break out of this pattern and we'll make a big run up. So that's that. Next stock, Disney. Um, I'm not in a position yet here. There is a big gap to fill to the downside. But I also like this setup for like a breakout to break this little downtrend we have here. If we break that, we could make an easy 6% run. And then on the downside, if I were to buy right now, I would have a stop loss for below like this 108 line, I guess. Because if we break that, then I think we will fill this gap and make a big move downward as well. And maybe I'll even look to play puts on that. So yeah, that is. Wait, let me see if there's anything on the. Nothing much, but yeah. Sorry, usually I do these in one take, but I keep getting interrupted. I'm in my basement, and I keep getting interrupted. But uh, next stock. Oh wait, no, I just talked about Disney. Next stock, Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO, and we have this very clean triangle pattern right here, and then also we're retesting this old resistance and this support over here. It's kind of blocked by my alert, but I do think that Coca-Cola will probably consolidate a little bit longer. And then once we hit this little apex point right here, we will make a pretty decent move up. And then long term, I think we'll see all-time highs again. Obviously, Coca-Cola is not going anywhere. Owns some of the biggest companies, or like the biggest sodas in the world. Sprite, I don't even know, but Coca-Cola owns a lot of stuff. Yeah, DoorDash also next stop, ticker symbol DASH. This has, I think, has room to run. Break and retest, pretty simple. Um, Once the market rebounds, I do think this will rebound with it. But yeah, Pfizer. I like Pfizer. I don't actually. No, yeah, I like Pfizer. I probably won't take a position in this, so I won't really cover it too long. But I do think there's room to run on Pfizer. Um, we're like, I think we tested support at all-time lows pretty much. Yeah, like right here. Or actually, we're kind of like at all-time lows right now. So maybe not. For scratch that. Cut. I'm gonna edit that out. I'm gonna edit that out. And then I've been talking about Nike and L, and let's throw UPS in there too. Let me just add it to the watch list real quick. And UPS. But these stocks, if you just buy these now, shares, and hold them for a year, maybe, you're gonna make money. These are all large cap stocks um, that have just been getting killed recently, but companies I believe in long term, especially Nike. Nike has the big, or not the most upside, but probably the safest bet, and then UPS, and then L is kind of a little bit of a riskier play, but yeah. But I do like the position that these ones are in. This one's higher risk, but a lot higher reward. So yeah. Um, Roku, no, nothing on Roku. Snow, I'll talk about Snow. Um, so I did buy a position over here. I sold it because we broke below. We have made a significant move down, but now I'm watching this right here. I'm scared it's gonna break out, retest this, and go lower. If I do see that happening, there's a lot of room for this thing to go down. Big gap to fill on Snow. But also, if we close above this, same thing in the other direction. Big opportunities there. So a pretty decent setup on Snow. And then ANF, I don't know how long. I've been talking about this for so long. This play does not want to break out. I did make a lot of money. Bought here, sold somewhere in here or something. Um, but made about like 300% on that. So some solid money there. But I'm still watching. Let me get rid of this John. Still watching this to happen. Let's see. This is what I think will happen. I think we'll come down again. and then go up again, and then maybe not go all the way down, and then hopefully finally break out, and then if we and then test this high. But I do think because this has been consolidating for so long that it'll break through us. It might go like do something like that, and then break through back up to all-time highs. But yeah, but if we do test this trend line again, I'm buying more. It likes to make big moves off this trend line. So yeah. And I think that I'm not watching this anymore. I was watching it, did have a position, didn't play out great. Or hold up. Pause. Or maybe not. Maybe I lied. All right. Maybe this setup does look kind of good, and I just didn't see this pattern before. But maybe we could make a run up. I haven't really looked at Bitcoin's chart, and obviously Coinbase relies a lot on Bitcoin, but it actually looks decent right now to make a move back up. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take a look into that. But yeah, that is everything that I will be watching. Wait, let me see. Same thing on Riot. Bang. It is the same thing on Riot. So yeah, actually maybe these Bitcoin stocks are due for a breakout. It actually does match this, builds this little channel pattern right here. But yeah, maybe Bitcoin will break out. Uh, actually, I'm not gonna show my browser. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped. Let's make some money. Market's been killer. I've lost a little bit of money, but we'll bounce back. So Trader Gliz out. Let's make some money.